Revel in the Return to the Clockwise Learning channel. Today, join us for a concise yet fascinating exploration as we unravel the secrets of natural geometry in fruits and its intriguing connection to the mathematical shapes we encounter in our curriculum. This short video promises a unique blend of science and mathematics, inviting you to discover the hidden wonders within the realm of fruity formations. Get set for a ride into natural shapes. Fruits may not be perfect math replicas, but they are nature's efficient solutions to challenges like seed protection, propagation, and growth. Geometry and math are the secret sauce behind plant evolution, ensuring they adapt, thrive, and conquer reproductive success. Join us for a quick dive into botanical brilliance, where every curve and angle tells a story of survival and triumph. Nature uses geometric precision to optimize seed dispersal. Shapes influence aerodynamics and buoyancy, aiding the development of specialized mechanisms. Plants harness geometry and mathematics to evolve adaptive strategies for successful seed dispersal, enhancing germination and new generation establishment. In the contemporary era, humans have become the primary agents for the dispersal of fruit seeds. Through agricultural practices, cultivation, and intentional planting, humans actively contribute to the distribution and propagation of various fruit bearing plants. The deliberate cultivation of orchards, home gardens, and agricultural fields, coupled with the global transportation of fruits, underscores the influential role humans play in the dispersal of fruit seeds in the modern world. In understanding the mathematical intricacies of fruit shapes, uncommon facts and captivating patterns emerge, intricately governing the arrangement of seeds within diverse fruits. The Fibonacci sequence and its spiral patterns are not limited to pineapples. They can be observed in various fruits and vegetables, for example, artichokes. The spiral arrangement of scales allows for optimal packing of the pineapple. This efficient packing is thought to maximize the exposure of the fruit to sunlight and facilitate water drainage. Traditionally, animals played a vital role in propagating edible fruit trees by dispersing seeds as they consumed fruits in natural ecosystems. However, in the modern era, humans have taken a central role in fruit propagation through intentional planting and crossbreeding for tailored varieties for their nutritional consumption. With this wrap up, thank you for tuning in, and we look forward to reconnecting with you on our next engaging topic.